Hello, welcome to the IoT Developer Show. Today our guest is Siva Jagannathan from Intel. He's been on the Intel Software channel before talking about the Intel Speech Enabling Developer Kit. And today we're going to talk a little bit more in depth about the board and get a better understanding of how it all works. Siva, thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks a lot, Martin, for having me. I'm a software architect at Intel Smart Home Group, and I'm the product manager for the Intel Speech Enabling Developer Kit.
Excellent. So what is the Intel Speech Enabling Developer Kit?
I would love to talk all about it. Why don't I just show you quickly what it can do? Alexa, what's the temperature in Honolulu?
Right now, in Honolulu, Hawaii, it's 82 degrees. Today, expect a high of 85 degrees.
What you have here is an Intel Speech Enabling Developer Kit that is designed to help product developers add Alexa to their products. It's a customizable audio solution that can be modified to meet the product usages so you can quickly bring the product to the market. And this is an Amazon qualified premium class far-field audio developer kit.
So how hard is it to get this Amazon qualification?
Most personal assistant vendors like Amazon, Microsoft, and Google, they have specific requirements for far-field audio qualification so that the final systems can meet the performance requirements of the product. And the system audio tuning, for example, requires specialized lab equipment and tuning facilities.
Wow, that sounds really involved, and I'm sure that most developers don't have access to those kind of facilities.
That's certainly true, Martin, and that is our motivation behind launching the developer kit so that we can ease the burden on the developers.
Okay, well, what kind of products do you envision this kit being used to build and prototype?
The kind of products that developers can build is dependent on the geometry of the mic array. Given that this is an 8-mic circular solution, it is best suited for tabletop smart speaker class of devices.
Okay, makes sense. So what are the features of the Intel Speech Enabling Developer Kit?
The primary technology that drives these kits is Intel's dual DSP chip with inference engine. The dual DSP runs Intel's proprietary far-field audio algorithms such as beamforming, acoustic echo cancellation, and noise reduction. The keyword spotter for Alexa runs on the DSP as well, that further improving the product's performance. This makes the development of the premium class product much easier.
Excellent. So what are some of the advantages of developing on this kit?
In my mind, there are two main advantages for using our developer kit to build products. The first one is that we have encapsulated all the far-field audio algorithms into a single DSP, because like building a premium class audio solution by yourself without any help is very hard. So the second thing is that the keyword spotter is running on the DSP as well. That frees up the host processor to do other applications. So a product developer can implement a low-power, always listening solution quite easily.
It sounds like developers will get access to a premium developer kit with a fast integration time as well as a low power profile. So what do developers actually get when they purchase this kit?
They get both hardware and software with it. So from a hardware piece, you get the DSP board and the 8-mic array board. From a software perspective, we have the firmware pre-flashed into the DSP so the developers can get it right out of the bat. And there are software tools available provided in the resource link, which they can go get it. The one thing the developers don't get is a Raspberry Pi. They will have to purchase it separately to make it work.
Siva, this is a really fantastic kit for developers who want to integrate any kind of speech recognition into their projects. Thank you so much for coming on today.
Thanks a lot for having me, and I'm super excited to see what developers build with it.
Alexa, Simon says, that's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
Before signing off, I want to talk to you guys about the 3rd Global IoT Dev Fest happening on June 19th and 20th. Visit the links provided and sign up to attend 2 days of deep dive online trainings and demonstrations led by IoT thought leaders and technology experts from all around the world. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Intel Software YouTube channel. Thanks, guys.